Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace VW Golf MK7 Wing Mirror Glass Easy Guide. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the car battery for safety before touching any electrical components. Remove the interior trim to access the mirror motor and wiring. Carefully detach the old glass using slow pressure and heat to avoid breaking it. Clean the housing and fit the new glass. Then reconnect battery and test the mirror motor and heater functions. In this video, I will show how to replace VW Golf MK7 Wing Mirror Glass Easy Guide. Prepare all tools on a clean surface and lay a towel to catch any shards if glass breaks. Use masking tape to secure surrounding trim so paint stays safe. Heat the old adhesive to soften it, then gently pry the glass free with a trim tool. Keep track of small clips and test fit the new glass before final adhesion and reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear audio instructions and a bit of background music while you work on your car. It makes tutorials more enjoyable and keeps your hands free with voice control. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace VW Golf MK7 Wing Mirror Glass Easy Guide. Work methodically through each step and avoid rushing the removal to prevent damage. Warm the adhesive evenly to loosen the old glass, then use slow, steady pressure to remove it intact. Clean the pad and apply new adhesive or clips as needed, press the new glass into place, and plug any connectors back in. Finally, verify mirror adjustment, heating, and folding functions before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.